Hello everyone. I have been asked a number of times that how can we make Miki on our own, right? You can use Arduino Leonardo and make Miki. So I've done something similar to that and I'm going to show you what I've done. But before that I want to tell you that in this experiment no child was hurt and we don't use children as a subject of our experiment. Whatever you see, we have taken extensive care of this kid. His name is Mowgli. Can you show Mowgli? Yeah, he's Mowgli. So I've got one pin connected to my wristwatch. Another pin is connected to Mowgli, right? And we are using an online drumming application. So let's see what we can do with this. So Mowgli, are you ready?
Yes.
Mowgli is ready. See. Oh, interesting pin work. Alright, Mowgli. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, so you would like to know how it's made, right? You can make it on your own without buying the Miki. So just hang on for next 10 minutes and I'll show you it's how easy to make. Okay, let's get into making it. Right, so first thing which you will need is a laptop and internet connection. Go to the website www.virtualdrumming.com. You will see an online drum which you can control using the keyboard. So if you press U, it plays the drum sound. What else do you need? Right, let's have a look. Obviously you will need Arduino Leonardo, right? That's the version which we are going to use. You also need a 1 mega ohms resistor, quarter watt would do, one breadboard. I have got this Spark Fun case in which I can attach both Arduino and the breadboard together. You will need some jumper wires and some alligator clips, right? Alright, so let's have a look how the circuit is, right? So let's have a look at the circuit, right? It's the most simplest circuit ever. So we have got Arduino Leonardo, right? We connect the 5-volt supply from Leonardo to the breadboard rails and also the ground, and then we create a voltage divider. So one side of the voltage divider is the 1 mega ohms resistor. The other half of the divider would be your bodies, right? So this is person 1, this is person 2. So one end of the clip would connect this point to one person's wrist. The ground will be connected to the other person's wrist, right? And when they touch each other, the circuit will be closed here and a resistance would act at this point, right? So this will start acting as a voltage divider and you will get a voltage reading at this point. This reading is transferred to Leonardo at analog input pin A0. Then we write a code which senses the change in voltage at this point whenever two people touch each other, and then with the processing logic we send the serial command to laptop which is connected through USB cable, right? So we will try to emulate a key press whenever the circuit closes here. Okay, so this is the overall idea about the circuit and how it works. Now let's build it up. Alright, so let's get started and build the circuit. Right, so first we will create the rails for power supply and connect the positive 5-volt and ground to the breadboard rails. So I'll connect the 5-volt power supply to the positive rail, which is marked with red here. Then I'll take the green jumper and connect negative to the negative rail here, right? So I have got the positive and the negative attached to the breadboard as shown in the diagram here, and let me build the voltage divider now. So I need a 1 mega ohms resistor coming right from the positive rail to this point, right? And then you will see this end of the other end of the resistor is connected to the analog pin, which is the A0. So I'll take the yellow jumper to denote the signal. That's connected to the A0, and then one end, and this end also goes to the person's arm, right? One person's arm, so it will be connected to the alligator clip. So this goes to one alligator clip, shown like this, right? Now it's ready to be connected to one person's arm, and the other alligator clip comes from the ground point. So I'll take the ground and connect the other alligator clip here, right? And this goes to the other person. So one person would be connected to this, and other person would be connected to the yellow one. So when they touch each other, it will send a signal to the laptop. Now again we need to connect the laptop, right? So we take the USB cable, connect the USB to Arduino here, right? And then I'll take this and connect it to my laptop, which is here. Let me see where it is here. Alright, so I've connected this to my laptop also, and alright, now let's see how it works. Right, but hold on, how will it work without uploading the software? So we missed the most critical part of it. To use this, the concept behind this is very simple. We use a high resistance switch to check when the circuit closes by the contact of two bodies. However, the problem with high resistance switch is that there is lots of noise, right? And in order to reduce the noise, we need some kind of noise filter. Moving average is a mathematical concept which can act as a very good noise filter, right? So what I did was I downloaded a library which can help us to capture the moving average. It's called moving average filter. Now if you are comfortable with Arduino, you would know how to add library. So you go to the Arduino folder, right, and go to the library folder, and in the library folder just save the file. You can find this file in the link provided by me. So you save this file there, and then come to your Arduino project, right? This is the code which I have written, and along with this you will need to add the library. So go to Sketch, import library, select the library moving average, and as soon as you select it, you will see that #include moving average filter.h will be added. This means that now this code will be able to use the library, and copy paste the code which you can find in the details section of this video and just upload it. So after uploading it, you are ready to go. Thanks very much for watching this video, and thanks to Mowgli as well. Mowgli, can you hand the camera towards Mowgli? He's a very good friend and assistant. He has got a lot of contribution in our projects. So thank you, Mowgli.
Okay.
Okay, all right. So guys, see you soon. Do some more projects, and do let me know if you have any questions or any difficulties. I'll be glad to hear from you. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.